Hi, this is Monimoto, a small tracker that has its own batteries, so you don't need to do any wiring. This device is easy to install and will make your motorcycle safer. The small size allows you to hide it in places without worrying about any cables to the motorcycle battery. If your motorcycle is being moved or stolen, it will call you after 1 minute and send you the GPS location by the Monimoto app. I am going to start this review by showing an unboxing. First of all, we can see that it comes in a nice cylinder package. As soon as we open the package, we can see a piece of paper showing that the app is available on Android and Apple Store. Moving on, we can find two removable zip ties, so we don't have to worry about changing the device afterwards or remove it to change the battery. This is the keyfob that has its own battery and that we should keep with us all the time, as it will disarm the alarm as soon as we get close to our motorcycle. A paper with instructions is provided, and it comes in different languages. The first thing you need to do after reading the instructions is remove the security piece of paper that is protecting the batteries. For the key fob, you need to use a small flat screwdriver to open the case and reveal the battery. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time and don't apply excessive force. Once we open the key fob, we can see the tab of paper that we need to remove. It can be a bit hard, so do it like I'm doing in the video and then close the key fob again. The next step is to open the alarm device to remove the battery protector. To do this, you need to pull from each side with a good amount of force, as it won't come out easily. There is another battery protector tab that needs to be removed. After that's been done, we need to close the device on the right side. After all of those steps have been done, the device needs to be paired with the phone app. Once you open the app, you need to click the welcome button and confirm your phone number, as the app will call that number if there is any movement on the motorcycle. You will receive a code that it will be applied automatically if you don't have an old phone. We will go ahead and put a name on the Monimoto device. I would recommend not naming the device with the brand of your motorcycle, just in case you lose your phone. After allowing your phone to connect to Bluetooth, the pairing of the devices will start, and to do so, they need to be close together. Don't worry if it fails the first time. Press rescan and try again. After that, the device will do some configurations. And we will get a message with the Monimoto's device phone number that we need to save in our phone address book. This will be the number of your SIM card that will call you if anything happens. Now that the app is fully configured, we can see the status of the battery, if the device is ready or not, and an events tab with everything that happens. I did a quick test, leaving the key fob in one place and moving the motorcycle some meters away. You can see how I got a call from the number that I saved before. If you answer, it will automatically end the call. We can see at the Events tab that the app told us that motion was detected, and after 1 minute, it also sent the GPS coordinates of the tracker. If you are interested in the tracker, you can find it at monimoto.co.uk for £147 or €159.